Guys, I'm at Burlington. I'm taking a look at some of the shoes. This one kind of looks like Nike Air Force, but it's Puma. I saw these Guess sneakers. I just want to see what they look like. They're a bit chunky. Okay. I don't hate them. Does this style of sneakers look similar to you guys? If you know, you know. I kind of like these chunky sneakers for some reason. I feel like they would look so cute with some like high-waisted jeans. Mella found some heels to try on. What do we think? Do you like them or not? Does it feel comfy?
No, it's not comfy. When is heel ever comfy?
That's true. You trying the other one on? I guess so. Oh, are you just buckling it or something?
I have to unbuckle it, that's why.
Oh, okay. I don't know. I don't really like the front of it. What do we think? Let me see the back. They're okay. Did you almost fall? Oh my god, be careful. I noticed there are some Juicy Couture backpacks. There's two right here. This one's just a nice solid black. I love that. And this one's a blue one. There's also Tommy Hilfiger. I like this tote bag. It's nice and simple. There's a backpack of Tommy Hilfiger as well. And then I also really like this tote bag here. It's like a quilted one. This Tommy Hilfiger bag is so cute. It comes with a cute little wallet as well. I also did see over there's the tote bag that matches it. That's so cute. This Guess purse is kind of cute too. It's nice and simple. It comes with the straps too, but I don't like how big the straps are. Here's another Juicy Couture purse. And this big duffel bag of Juicy Couture, that is insane. I don't really wear Guess purses, but I think this one's really cute. I don't even mind that has some green in there as well. Let's see how the back looks like. Nice and simple. This one's really cute. Burlington also has Halloween and decor. I will say the decor is pretty cool. Look at that. Oh, a silly little ghost. Here's some more Halloween decor. I will say I like the house a lot. The ghost of the cat. Really cute. Oh, this one I don't like. I do love snow globes though. Oh, look at this one. With the butterfly on half the face of the skull. There's also some more over here. They're playing the trumpet, daydreaming a bride, probably. We got some pumpkins and some ghosts. What is this? I don't like that. We do have some cute little ghosts over here. There's the dog and cat trick-or-treating, the mummy cat, some skeletons, and I think these are like ghost besties, if anything. This journal is so cute. Is it for 2025? Yeah, it is. Lots of planners and journals. This one's adorable. I love the butterfly. It comes with a pen as well. What else is here? Oh, there's like a princess trunk here. Can't really see it. Oh, there we go. And then, oh, there's another planner. The bowl one with the flowers are really cute. Look at this heart one. Spotted a happy ghost. This one is a witch's hat. And then there are some Halloween blankets. That's super cute. I saw this one, a pink pumpkin. That's cute. There's a cat one too. Oh, there's one with a bat. Some bows. Oh, I think this is the Hello Kitty candy corn one. I think, right? Yeah, it is. That's cute. What is that one? Oh, it's a trick-or-treat one. That's cute. And then I just want to see what this is because it looks weird. It's kind of weird. I guess a lot of the stores now have some Halloween decor. It's very early Halloween. But look at this one. Spells and curses, brews and potions, toxic poison. And it just looks so cute. The heart hands, the snow globe, that extra pumpkin. So there was nothing at Burlington, so we're leaving empty-handed. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, that way you never miss a video.